Might be the most epic place we've ever had breakfast.
Everyone from the Bonneville Salt Flats in northern Utah. So we arrived here early this morning. We were staying in Wendover, Nevada, about 15 minutes down the road at a KOA. But when we got here this morning, there weren't many cars out on the Salt Flats quite yet. So we took advantage of it and made some breakfast in our camper van.
Yeah, it's so beautiful here. I know this was really high on both of our lists for things we wanted to see out west.
You guys may have known about the Salt Flats already because it's a famous speedway. They use it for the big races every year, and I believe that happens in August, so we just missed it.
Yeah, and if you don't know of it from the racing, you probably know of it from photos and videos you've seen because this place is just so photogenic. There's a lot of cars around here right now, but you can't even see them because it's so vast, so you can kind of just make it look like you're the only person out here. You just can't sleep on it. They don't allow overnight parking, and yeah, during the day, it's free. You can just drive around, go as fast as you want to. There's no speed limit, and you can see so well there's not really a risk for any collisions.
Yeah. And speaking of no risk for any collisions, this one right here has not driven the camper van yet. This is our fourth day into the journey, and I think it's about time that I teach her how to drive this camper van and see if she's road ready.
As you can see, I have my little Don't Panic shirt on. I may have planned this for this very reason. So let's go see how it goes. So one more thing we forgot to mention, it's so flat out here, you can actually see the curvature of the earth. It's crazy.
It really is.
Yeah.
Got the keys in there. Suits you. You look pretty good in there. All right, I'll be in to help.
Okay.
How's it feel being up there?
I like it so far. I feel large and in charge.
There's so many flies in here because we have the doors open.
I know, this is like not an environment you would think there'd be a lot of
Why are flies out here in the middle of the Salt Flats? Okay, put your foot on the brake. Put us into drive. All right, let's go.
I feel like there's nothing that can go wrong out here though.
Yeah, I mean, this is probably not the best way to gauge how comfortable you are with it.
Oh, I feel good. I thought it would feel like super intimidating.
Drive us to Arches.
I'm like not even watching. I'm not even watching.
Yeah.
There's nothing in front of me. Well, the main reason we thought I should learn how to drive is so I can edit our vlogs because our schedule is kind of tight and there's just no time to edit. So we want to get a video up for you guys. So I guess this is what I'll be doing today while A is editing. How fast am I going? 15 miles an hour. Put me in the races.
She's ready to go on the races. 15 miles an hour. I don't think they'll be able to take her. I think the racetracks are over here. But yeah, one of the crazy things about the roads out here in Utah is some of the roads are 80 miles an hour, and in this camper van, I haven't been quite comfortable getting that fast yet. Yeah.
This is so fun.
All right, so I think she did pretty good. So we'll drive around a little bit more and hang out, and then we're gonna hit the road and see how you do heading down southern Utah. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Tastes like the ocean.
Uh-huh.
It's very crusty.
I think I took a little too much.
It's probably like, maybe don't do that. I don't know. Maybe not the most sanitary thing. It is all over everything.
Just had to show you guys our tires. It looks like we drove through a Pennsylvania snowstorm. This is so crazy.
We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things. This highway is our living room. We're swimming in the mystery. We're living in the moment.
So Laurel's been doing a great job driving. We've probably gone about an hour now, but we stopped to get gas and she pulled up way too far.
It's like
so much
a trail of salt. How are we gonna clean this?
There's no doubt where we just came from.
So crazy.
So yeah, you need to reverse a little bit. I can fill her up.
We will never let
So where are we going?
Site 31.
All
Got
right.
our late arrival form. I drove 5 hours today.
No, you did a great job.
And as someone with anxiety over driving in general, like in a normal car, I'm quite proud of myself.
Yeah, you rocked it today. Good job.
Thanks. So we have electric at our campsite tonight, which means we can use our microwave and, which we probably won't do, but also plug in all of our equipment.
Electronic devices.
Electronics.
There's so many flies. They came with us from the Salt Flats. I don't know.
And all day we kept rolling down the windows so they would fly out.
But we were on a mission to get here. So after we're done filming this clip, I'm about to roll up something and go a little kung fu fighting on these flies.
Yeah,
because
I mean, we're not sleeping.
no, we're not. These flies came with us for like 5.5 hours. I think most of the day though, they were like chilling back here.
I guess I didn't realize there were so many.
Yeah, we're gonna take care of this. But anyways, so we are here at our RV park. It's really nice. We're right outside of Arches National Park, and this place is incredible. We're here for the next 2 nights. But yeah, today's video was a little bit
Short?
yeah, I'd say we're gonna make some dinner here and we're gonna watch a little Netflix or Hulu, and then we have to go to sleep a little early because tomorrow morning we're waking up bright and early and starting our adventures in Arches.
Did we tell them we're in Arches?
Drive us to Arches. Right outside of Arches National Park. We're at Arches. I think I did.
We are.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're a little delusional. We've been traveling so much, so now we're gonna kick back and relax. But if you guys are watching this video for the first time and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, we really appreciate if you do because it helps us out.
Yeah, we're really excited to see this park. So thanks for being a part of the journey, and we'll see you tomorrow.
So put me on a train, I don't care where